dish will have some white onions, some thyme, some Scotch bonnet pepper, and some garlic. This is 1 tomato. We'll have 3 stalks of celery, 2 carrots, a bunch of broccoli, and this is the main ingredients, the bok choy. Stay tuned. So you want to hear that sound, you want to hear that sizzling noise when you're sauteing your onions. Just want this to be really nice and tender. Saute this for about 3 minutes until the onions are nice and soft. Can't forget the tomatoes, right? You need that splash of color while you're cooking. Listen to that, guys. Is divine. The celery. Man, you want to be in this kitchen to smell all of this aroma. It smells so good. And look at that nice, beautiful color. Here goes in the carrot. Oh man, they smell good. And guys, when you're cooking, you want to add some salt to taste, and you want to add as much as your taste bud requires. I didn't mention that earlier, but we'll be adding some salt to this to, you know, bring out the flavors. Man, this looks like it can't eat us right now. And there goes the main ingredient, the bok choy. Nothing looks so good, right? It feels good too. I'm sure it's going to feel good. Look at all the colors. So for all of you folks that are on this New Year's kick, trying to lose weight, add it as your New Year's wish. This is a nice healthy way to start out the new year. By eating something that is flavorful, healthy, and you know you made from home. So nothing tastes good like home cooking food, right? have this over rice. You could have it with some hardo bread. You could have it with some ground provision, so like some yam and dumplings or whatever your taste bud wants. You could just add it. See, the pot starts spraying some water. That's the one thing with bok choy. It does spring some water, so you gotta have to watch it to make sure that your pot, you're not cooking one pot full of soup. You know, you want to cook the bok choy. So I'll show you how to do that. So we're gonna add the cucumber, and you may wonder why we are adding this. So we're making Sunday dinner as we're making breakfast, and this is the leftover cucumber from our salad. And we'll be adding it to this bok choy because you know what? It tastes good. You just want to cover this and have it sit for a little bit, about 10 minutes or so. And then we should be good. We'll be able to have a nice, great breakfast.